Everybody quick, hold your breath. The market cap has taken a steep drop off. Actually, don't hold your breath because I really don't know how long you might be holding that breath to find out what is going to happen. With the price of Bitcoin taking a steep drop off, not nearly as much as the market cap is officially the lowest it's been all year. And that's really not a good sign. We have broken through some major support levels that the overall market cap has bounced off of, as well as the price of Bitcoin is seemingly hanging on above $6,000, which is not near the lowest we've been all year. There's been a disconnect between the price of Bitcoin and the respective price of altcoins. Now there seems to be a disconnect between the overall market cap and the price of Bitcoin. Why has all of this happened? Aside from the Winklevoss ETF getting denied a few weeks ago, which catalyzed the initial drop-off, the CBOE Bitcoin ETF that is under investigation right now by the SEC has been delayed until September 30th. The first deadline was August 10th, if my memory serves me correctly. But yesterday, in a written memo, the commission determined that a longer period of consideration was appropriate in coming to this conclusion. Let it be known, however, that this was largely expected by industry experts and is the first of what could be several delays in this decision, taking us well into 2019 before a final decision is made. The next benchmark obviously is September 30th, so stay tuned for updates as we get closer to that date. In the meantime, the overall cryptocurrency market has a long way to go to recover some of these losses from the psychological hit of this delay. It is unfortunate that the entire investor base didn't know that it was particularly expected for this delay to happen, because if it was, I don't think we would see such a steep drop-off like we have. But obviously, this delay has had a profound impact on the markets. Whether or not it is directly related to this delay or it's a combination of factors, the latter is far more likely, and it's anyone's guess as to which factors are contributing more than others. It can pretty safely be speculated that it is in part or in large part due to this SEC delay. But as I say often on this channel, all we can do is continue to monitor the markets. We have a very rainy day here in Canada. I'm not sure if you can hear the water hitting the window, but I apologize if you can. I spent the last half hour trying to dampen that sound, and although I did make an impact, I'm afraid you might still be able to hear it. I could also probably play with the audio for well over an hour to try to minimize that overall sound, but it will still come through regardless. I think it's a beautiful sound. It's a nice sound to sleep to, and some people even put on rain tracks to fall asleep. That's probably about what you want to do right now. Take a nice long several weeks, if not several months worth of a nap. Wake up when the market cap has ballooned and the prices are all green again, because today is not the day for the average investor. Some assets faring better than others, with OMIZI Go taking a hit of over 10%, and Ethereum Classic, which has been pumping all week and saw a high of almost $20 just yesterday, has been chopped off its high horse and back down to $15, which is where it was a few months ago. Around the same time that Coinbase officially announced that they would be adding ETC to their platform, and prior to the announcement that 5 other assets are also being considered. Keyword on considered and keyword on Ethereum Classic being actually committed to Coinbase. So look for that in the very near future. This space, however, never fails to entertain, and Bitcoin is in a bit of a limbo period, more so today with the recent retracement, while we wait for either further upward motion or a deepening of this retracement. Nevertheless, blockchain technology remains a marvel of financial technology, and I'm excited to continue to explore this market with you all. Thank you so much for your ongoing support here at Crypto Blessing, and I will see everyone tomorrow.